Mastering the magic of English. Ordinal Tens Made Easy. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to take a big step and dive deep into the world of ordinal tens. This might sound like a tough topic, but don't worry. We're here to break it down for you. Ordinal tens are numbers like 30th, 40th, 50th, and so on, all the way up to 90th. They are used to indicate position or order, instead of quantity. For example, you could say, "My grandmother is celebrating her 70th birthday today." This means that today is the 70th time your grandmother has celebrated a birthday. The good news is, forming ordinal tens is pretty straightforward. You take the cardinal number, 30, 40, 50, etc., and just replace the y at the end with ieth. Let's look at some examples. 30 becomes 30th. 40 becomes 40th. 50 becomes 50th. 60 becomes 60th. 70 becomes 70th. 80 becomes 80th. 90 becomes 90th. Now that we know how to form ordinal tens, let's practice using them in sentences. Here are a few examples. This is the 40th time I've told you to clean your room. My aunt is celebrating her 60th birthday next month. The 70th anniversary of the company is next year. She is the 80th person to join the club. Remember, the main purpose of these ordinal numbers is to express a sequence or order. And that's a wrap. That's how easy it is to understand and use ordinal tens in English. With some practice, you'll be using them like a pro in no time. Keep practicing and remember, every step, no matter how small, is progress on your English language journey. Until next time, keep learning.